Weight loss can be a challenging journey, especially for women. This is because most women tend to ignore the weightlifting exercises and focus on cardio exercises. When you engage in cardio workouts, you burn calories at a considerable rate. However, when you stop the cardio, the heart rate slows down as well as the calorie burning. Here are some benefits of lifting weight to lose weight for women. 1. Builds strong muscles. One fact about all workout routines is that you need strength. Therefore, lifting weights increases muscle, which provides power for an efficient workout session. The more the strength, the better the results. 2. Burning of more calories. The building of muscle automatically leads to the burning of more calories. The reason behind this is that muscles are metabolically active. They can burn calories throughout the day, even when you are not exercising. According to evidence-based sources on sports medicine, muscle tissue burns an average of 10 calories a day while fat burns only 3 calories. 3. Improvement of posture. Lifting weights during weight loss opens up your chest. The outcome is a reduction of rounded shoulders by lifting off pressure from your lower back while strengthening your core. That way, it is convenient to engage in the required workouts actively. 4. Reduction of back pain. A common challenge associated with exercising is back pain. Weightlifting for women aiming to lose weight reduces muscular imbalances, thereby preventing back pain. Hence, workout sessions improve and lead to promising results. 5. Improves oxygen circulation. Oxygen is a vital element when it comes to losing weight. Weightlifting improves the health of the brain, thus allowing proper oxygen circulation. Therefore, the metabolic activities involved in burning excess calories operate as required. 6. Reduces chances of muscle loss. During weight loss, the goal is to lose fat but not muscle. One has to attain a toned body, which means lean muscle. Weightlifting is a perfect way to maintain muscle while burning fat at a considerable rate. 7. Reduce injuries. Injuries are common during workouts. However, that does not mean you cannot prevent them. Lifting weights strengthens muscles, tendons, ligaments, and bones. You will be able to avoid a lot of injuries and make weight loss more manageable with time. 8. Boosts metabolism. As women age, the rate of metabolic activities reduces. This means burning fat becomes quite tricky. The solution is weightlifting because of the close association between muscle mass and metabolism. 9. Boosts heart health. The bottom line is you will need a healthy heart for convenient workouts. The heart controls all the metabolic activities. Thereby, weightlift to improve your general performance. 10. Improve athletic performance. Sports physicians suggest that cardio exercises are best when combined with weight lifts attain an athletic body. Weight training increases speed, power, agility, and endurance. 11. Improve sleep. There are several ways sleep can make you lose weight. Weightlifting improves one's sleep, which reduces the urge to make unhealthy diet choices. This, in turn, boosts the rate of burning calories. 12. Stress management. Lifting weights links directly to stress management. This is due to the reduction of the level of stress hormones. The more one handles stressful situations, the better the chances of losing weight. 13. Improves flexibility. Weight training also increases your flexibility by a static stretching regimen. Within a short time, one can handle several types of workout. The outcome is fast visible results of calorie burning. 14. Boosts women's curves. Weight training does not make you lose your curves. It builds muscles on specific locations of your body. The exercises, therefore, make your curves more defined. 15. Increases muscular endurance. A proper weight loss program involves particular numbers of sets. To complete all sets every workout sessions, you need to endure the force exerted on your muscles. Weight training helps your muscles convert energy more efficiently. And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you next time!